The second stage, oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid. This is the second stage. Oxidatively decarboxylations of pyruvic acid. So the titles should be also to be indicating the end product of glycolysis, namely 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. The pyruvic acid to be going oxidatively as well as decarboxylated. So the pyruvic acid oxidatively decarboxylated means resulting productions regarding what? 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. Okay, let's now come to here. Oxidative decarboxylations of pyruvic acid. This is second stage of regarding what? Oxidations of glucose. The end product of glycolysis, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid enter in the pathway. After oxidation, it's moved into regarding what? Mitochondria. When the 2 molecules of pyruvic acid move into mitochondria, there can be happen regarding what? Oxidation as well as regarding decarboxylation. Because glycolysis is occur in the cytoplasm, but oxidative decarboxylations of pyruvic acids occur in mitochondrial matrix. Because the pyruvic acid after oxidation it move into the mitochondria. There is happen oxidation as well as regarding what? Decarboxylation. Okay, yeah. For example, 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, C3H4O3. For oxidation commonly called as nicotinamide adenine diphosphate. What is it given is commonly called as 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. Along with 2 molecules of NADH2. Along with 2 molecules of carbon dioxide also eliminated. Which enzyme to be help is commonly called as pyruvic dehydrogenase. So oxidatively decarboxylates of pyruvic acid, it can decrease to produce 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. In addition, the oxidatively decarboxylations of pyruvic acid, it's generally occur during aerobic conditions. In anaerobic condition, pyruvic acid is converted into either lactic acid or ethyl alcohol. How it can be formed regarding what in anaerobic condition to do lactic acid or ethyl alcohol depending on environment of organism. Here alcohol should be formed means to be influenced regarding what? Yeast. Lactic acid forming means by the environments of regarding what? Lactobacillus. So environment of organism that can produce the product. The yeast is involved means in the anaerobic condition, pyruvic acid is produced ethyl alcohol. Instead of regarding what yeast, lactobacillus bacteria influence mean the pyruvic acid can convert into regarding what? Lactic acid. These are two things to be considered regarding what? Oxidative decarboxylations of pyruvic acid. How a given schematic of recording what we hear. Pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylated. What is that reduction compound? NADH2, resulting forming acetyl-CoA. The help of enzyme pyruvic dehydrogenase. The third stage is called Krebs cycle. I am already indicating to you for the first three stages, which is act as regarding what hydrogen acceptor, NAD plus and FAD plus, which is act as a hydrogen carriers, coenzymes of NAD plus and FAD plus. That's all. Carry the electrons from respiratory substrate to electron transport chain. This happened to be here. What are called Krebs cycles called? Who are described mean Sir Hans Adolf Krebs. In the year of 1937, he was the first person described about catalytic role of pyruvic acid for production of energy in the cell. No one the scientist never given catalytic role of pyruvic acid in the cell. He was the first person to give a descriptive about regarding what the pyruvic acid. In addition here, Krebs cycle is nothing but it is a cyclic reaction. That cyclic reaction, pyruvic acid is converted into carbon dioxide and water molecule in mitochondria. So pyruvic acid is converted into carbon dioxide and water molecule in the mitochondria. This is a cyclic reaction influenced by pyruvic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water molecule in the mitochondria. Okay. Krebs cycle is given some other names also given you, namely called as TCA cycle. That been commonly called as tricarboxylic acid cycle. So tricarboxylic acid cycle also called regarding what? TCA cycle. What is schematic representations of Krebs cycle? For the Krebs cycle, it must be happening mitochondrial matrix. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. Oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid occur in mitochondrial matrix. Krebs cycles also occur regarding mitochondrial matrix. In addition, oxidative decarboxylation of pyruvic acid is also known as link reaction because that reaction is linked with glycolysis as well as regarding Krebs cycle. So, pyruvic acid is oxidatively decarboxylated to form acetyl-CoA. With the help of enzyme pyruvic kinase, pyruvic dehydrogenase, that acetyl molecule Now enter into third stage of regarding what the Krebs cycle. So the schematic representation is observed A molecule, but actually enter in 2 molecule structure. Yes, first of all, A molecules of acetyl CoA after entering mitochondrial matrix, the acetyl CoA combined with the OAA. What is the meaning of regarding what OAA? OAA means oxaloacetic acid. Acetyl CoA combined with oxaloacetic acid, forming the first product is commonly called as citric acid. That's why Krebs cycle is also known as citric acid cycle. I have already given you Krebs cycle is also known as regarding what is TCA cycle. That means tricarboxylic acid cycle, because citric acid commonly called as is a tricarboxylic acid groups. For the formations of citric acid, hydrated takes place. Removal of coenzyme takes place. Which enzyme to be help formations of citric acid from combine of oxaloacetic acid and regarding what the acetyl CoA, which enzyme is commonly called as citric acid synthetase. Then citric acid is dehydrated. That being commonly called as what? Removal of water molecule. Citric acid is dehydrated to form cis aconitic acid. With the help of enzyme aconitase. Next, cis aconitic acid is hydrated. That will call additions of water molecule to form isocitric acid. Which enzyme to be help for formations of cis aconitic acid to isocitric acid? The same enzyme commonly called as aconitase. Isocitric acid is oxidized in the presence of NAD plus, reduced into NADH2. Isocitric acid is oxidized to form oxalosuccinic acid. With the help of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase. Then oxalosuccinic acid is decarboxylated to form alpha ketoglutaric acid with the help of enzyme oxalosuccinic decarboxylase. Then alpha ketoglutaric acid is oxidatively decarboxylated to form succinyl CoA with the help of enzyme alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase. Then succinyl-CoA is hydrated, that we call addition of water molecule, as well as CoA enzymes also occur regarding water releasing, as well as phosphorylation takes place. Adenosine diphosphate pick up the phosphate to form regarding what? ATP. So for here, succinyl-CoA hydrated or also called hydrolyzed. During the process, CoA enzyme releasing, phosphorylation takes place. Which enzyme to be helping commonly called? Succinyl-CoA synthetase for forming succinic acid. Then succinic acid is oxidized in the presence of FAD plus. What do you call FAD plus? Flavine adenine dinucleotide. So succinic acid is oxidized in the presence of FAD plus to form fumaric acid. So FAD plus reduced into FADH2 with the help of enzyme succinic dehydrogenase complex. Then fumaric acid is hydrated, that we call additions of regarding water molecule, resulting hydrated of fumaric acid to form malic acid or also called regarding malate with the help of enzyme fumarase. Then malic acid is oxidized in the presence of NAD plus reduced into NADH2 to form oxaloacetic acid with the help of enzyme malate dehydrogenase. This is the schematic representation of regarding what the Krebs cycle. So once again look here. Acetyl-CoA combined with the oxaloacetic acid to form acetic acid. This is a 3-carboxylic acid group, the so-called regarding tricarboxylic acid. Citric acid is dehydrated to form cis-aconitic acid with the help of enzyme aconitase. Then cis-aconitic acid is hydrated to form isocitric acid with the help of enzyme aconitase. Because that only one enzyme they can be involving in 2 places. Then isocitric acid is oxidized in the presence of NAD plus to form oxalosuccinic acid with the help of enzyme isocitric dehydrogenase. For NAD plus reduced into NADH2. Then oxalosuccinic acid is decarboxylated to form alpha ketoglutaric acid with the help of enzyme oxalosuccinic decarboxylase. Then alpha ketoglutaric acid is oxidatively decarboxylated to form regarding succinyl-CoA with the help of enzyme alpha ketoglutaric dehydrogenase. Succinic acid is oxidized in the presence of FAD plus to form fumaric acid with the help of enzyme succinic dehydrogenase complex. FAD plus reduced into FADH2. Then fumaric acid is hydrated to form malic acid with help of enzyme fumarase. Malic acid is oxidation in the presence of NAD plus to form oxaloacetic acid with help of enzyme malate dehydrogenase. The last one. Cyclicins of Krebs cycle. For third stages, for oxidations of one glucose molecule enter into regarding Krebs cycle. After oxidation, the categories produce 6NADH2, 2FADH2. Where you know that? For one molecule of structural view is 1 NADH2, is a second NADH2, is a third NADH2. For one molecule of structure, only one regarding what FADH2. These are called one molecule of structure view. But how much molecules of acetyl CoA enter? 2 molecules of acetyl CoA enter in the regarding Krebs cycle. So how much NADH2, how much FADH2 to be generated is commonly called as 6 NADH2 and 2 FADH2. Do you know that 1 NADH2 is equal to 3 ATP. 1 FADH2 is equal to 2 ATP. So, after oxidations of one molecules of glucose in the Krebs cycle alone, they can be produced 6 NADH2 and 2 FADH2. So, what to say? 6 into 3. How much? That we call 1 NADH2 regarding 3, no? So 18 ATP from NADH2. 2 FADH2. 1 FADH2 2. So what that? 2 into 2. 4 ATP. So totally 22 ATP from regarding what? NADH2 and FADH2. For structural of regarding what glycolysis, one substrate level phosphorylation takes place. These are called substrate level phosphorylation. For structural view, 1 ATP is regarding what generated. So how much molecule actually enter? 2 acetyl CoA enter. So how much ATP totally? 2 ATP. So 22 ATP from NADH2 to FADH2, then along with 2 substrate level phosphorylation. So totally 24 ATP is produced in Krebs cycle. According 4 stages of regarding what respiration, which stage is responsible to produce regarding what more amount of ATP is called Krebs cycle. That's why Krebs cycle is commonly called as is an energy production system. In addition, the Krebs cycle is also known as commonly called as it is an amphibolic process. Why the differences regarding what the amphibolic process means? The Krebs cycle is involving in both anabolism as well as catabolism. So anabolism is commonly called as what? Building up process. Catabolism is commonly called as what? Breakdown process. So due to involving of two process, Krebs cycle is also called the amphibotic process. This is the three stages are involving in carbon dioxide acceptor as well as regarding hydrogen carriers. The last one stage is commonly called as electron transport chain. That is discussed to next one class.